Welcome to our channel. Building a strong vocabulary is essential for effective communication in any language. Here are some strategies to help you build your English vocabulary. One, read extensively. 2, use a dictionary or vocabulary app. 3, create word lists. 4, learn word roots, prefixes, and suffixes. 5, contextual learning. 6, use flashcards. 7, engage in conversations and writing. 8, play word games and puzzles. 9, use vocabulary in context. 10, learn collocations and phrases. Building a vocabulary takes time and consistent effort. Be patient with yourself, and aim to learn a few new words each day. Over time, your vocabulary will expand, and you will feel more confident and proficient in expressing yourself in English. Thanks for watching.